What is the happiest place in Cavite City? For me, eto. If magagawi ka dito sa San Roque, Cavite City, don't forget to visit here para ma-experience mo yung napakasarap nilang Korean barbecue in very affordable price for only 199. Idagdag mo pa yung pangmalakasan nilang free karaoke with mini stage and lights na para kang nagla-live concert. Perfect ito for family, friends, get together, birthday, anniversary celebration, and more. O diba? Mapabata o matanda, talagang mag-e-enjoy dito. Pwede din kayo mag-hangout, chillin with your tropa, barkada, dahil meron silang minibar na nagsiserve ng masasarap na inumin. Pwede din itong event place, just contact the management for more info. Open sila daily from 2 p.m. to 12 midnight. Katabi lang sila ng San Sebastian College, Recoletos de Cavite. If sa malayo ka naman magagaling, i-waste mo lang ang Hidden Samgyup 199.